In this short tutorial, you will learn how to add the Notes widget to the iPhone home screen on an iOS 18. This feature allows you to view important notes at a glance without opening the app, making access quick and easy. First, locate an empty space on your home screen. Tap and hold that empty area until all your app icons start to jiggle, indicating you are in editing mode. Look at the top left corner of your screen for the edit button and tap on it. Find and tap on the Add Widget option. To make it easier, search for the Note widget by typing Notes in the search bar at the top. Tap Notes and you'll see several widget options available. Swipe through the options and choose the one that fits your needs. After selecting your preferred style, tap on the Add Widget button. The widget will instantly appear on your home screen. You can move the newly added widget to any position on your home screen. Once satisfied with its placement, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. You are now successfully added the Note widget to your iPhone's home screen on iOS 18. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.